We're here at SLE Equipment at Antioch, Tennessee, outside of Nashville. Our phone number is 615-641-7720. Today we're looking at this 7x16 equipment trailer made with I-beam. Here we have your adjustable coupler, has your heavy-duty jack, the floor is made of the pressure-treated wood floor. This does have stake pockets along the side. This is a tandem axle trailer. It comes with two greasable 5,200-pound axles. The wheels are 15-inch for the wheels and tires. Comes fully wired with LED drive lights. This does have the dovetail back, as well as your stand-up 5-foot loading ramps. Diamond plate fender. You have your spare tire holder. Once again, this is a 7x16 I-beam equipment trailer with two 5,200-pound axles. If you're interested in this trailer or any other trailers on our YouTube channel, give us a call at 615-641-7720.